Guys, how are you doing? How are you doing? Happy New Year all. Thank you so much for tuning in for New Year. So here we are, 2022. What's it going to be like for us? You know, are we going to be hitting up with Yeezys again? We're going to be getting some Nikes. Don't know. We're going to be getting some New Balances, or we're just going to go completely off piece, start rocking out some high street designers or some Reeboks. I don't know. I'm just really excited. There's crazy drops rumored for this year. So anyway, listen, without further ado, let's get complete incognito box. Yeah, here we go. Just a plain brown shoebox. No, I can't even open it. Oh, I think, yeah. So these size, again, thank you, man. Guys, size are just doing us some love, man. So we've got a pair of Nikes, guys. Listen, we ain't won the Nikes since we didn't win the off-white ones, right? So here we are. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Oh, the pattern. Okay, let's get these out of... Nah. Why do they do this sticky thing, right? I don't get it. Dusty. Look, there we go. How we feeling about these, man? What we feeling? What we saying? What we saying? Listen, how shiny are they looking? Are they looking like mad shiny on there, right? So like I don't know if you guys the early videos of Style versus Trend, check out the OG glow gold and black up there. Check that out. This is obviously the pattern, but this is the breed. This is the breed colorway, which is obviously a OG colorway for sure. I'm still desperate to get, you know, one of the breeds like this, the standard normal with the premium leather, not this pattern stuff. This glossy shiny stuff. Yeah, I'm not about that. I'm not about that. You know, I just feel it's a bit kiddie. You know, I just feel it's a little bit junior. You know, I'm a big man, innit? But like, I don't know, I'm not about that. Having said that, these are one of the shoes that, I mean, I've seen other ones when people rocking them on the street and it looks good on their feet. I'm not gonna lie at all. You know, there was the university blue ones as well. They did one of these ones, right? Exactly, you know, with this material, and they look really good. I see some guys rocking them and it looks really good. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm not feeling these, guys. Obviously, Air 1 Jordan's highs with the breed colorway, you got to think there's mad hype. There is loads of hype for these now. On the resale market, they're doing really well. Nearly double what they came on the retail. So that just goes to show you that people are really after these. And I think it's just because of the colorway. You know, the black and the red, it's just typical, and the white, obviously, it's like Chicago Bulls, Jordan, you know, the first Jordan 1s in like 85, and so it's just a statement shoe, right? It's just a statement shoe, colorway anyway. It's a colorway. Obviously, the silhouette doesn't change much, but this pattern, I don't know, you know, as I'm touching it and I'm feeling it, I'm starting to like it. But you know what's gonna bug me, yeah? Like, you could imagine just taking these off and just with some greasy hands, and like, you can imagine people, oh, let me see them with their greasy hands from their KFC and that, be like, get off my shoes. But yeah, no, I like it. It's dusty. Obviously, just come out the box. It's dusty, and where I just honestly just picking up my fingerprint. That's bugging. Like, everywhere's just picking up my fingerprint. What else to say about this? It feels a bit rushed, and this is that I'm not hating on Nike at all, but some of their trainers, like, they just, especially when it comes to the Air Jordan 1s, I feel, and the mids, all the same. Take away the SB Dunks. Like, look, you got threading coming on through here. I don't know if you can see that. Threading coming on through here. This bit hasn't been cut properly, so it's overlaying and threads coming up. And then here, like, I don't know if you can even see this. You've got this where the cushion was just where it's been cut. Look, it's not even been cut off cleanly, you know, and it's just like latching on, like just pulling that off. And I'm like, you know, how much are these on retail? Yeah, retail. These are what, like 160 GB pounds, and it's like, why are you not sorting me out of giving me nice and cream cliff shoes on that, you know? But they haven't gone over with the glue. You know, I hate seeing the glue on these all the time. But I don't know, man. These are quite statement shoes, you know. I'm kind of feeling them. Obviously, if this was the premium leather or just standard leather, I'll be all over these for sure. You know, these would be an everyday wear, like for sure. But I'm liking, you know, a little keyring Jordan as well. That's nice as well, matching on the colorway. And then inside of the ankle support, it's got family. I don't know if you can see that. It's got family in there, which is again nice, you know, because obviously this is the Jordan 1 Bred family, right? It's got to be. What can I say? No, these are good. These are good. Obviously the red undersole. Comfort, as you know, with the Jordans, man. Literally all day wear, man. I ain't never, you know, got a pair of these and had anybody even moan or anything or anyone anywhere. Now, guys, I'm gonna be real with you guys. This is going straight back out. So I'm not even gonna do it on foot with these, man, because the thing about these, if you try to return this back and that, these are just gonna crease. And that's, I think, one of the biggest problem that we have, yeah. So my boy, he had some dunks, some dunk highs, and he was walking around like that because he didn't want to crease them. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's just one of them, isn't it? It's just one of them. And that's why I like the premium leather, because the premium leather is already creased. And so when you do crease it, and it's not the, you know, excuse me, it's not the cheaper leather, when you crease it's not as bad, right? It's not as bad. I did see a bit of version of these that I think are absolutely banging, and they're the crispy ones. There's ones that's like a crisp packet. It's all like crunchy and that already, and you're like, yeah, man, that's how you want to be rocking these. But yo, listen, did any one of you, my viewers, you guys, subscribers, any of you cop these? Will you try and cop these, man? Like, these are OG pair. If you're a fan of Jordan highs, then you have to get a pair of these, man. Like, literally, you have to go and try and cop these just to finish it off. That's really bugging me. I don't know if you can see it. It's really bugging me, like the thread. Like, so why they do that? It's annoying. It is annoying. Yeah, anyways, back to the shoe. Yeah, red laces. Obviously comes with the standard black, but again, you know, if I'm gonna rock these, I'm rocking them black and red. I am. Or even, why don't you like just dash in a pair of white? Ooh, that would look kind of sick still. This colorway with this material just doesn't do it for me. I'm not saying it doesn't work, just doesn't do it for me. So anyway, guys, listen, thank you for tuning in. And you know, I don't know, man, it might grow me and I might just have to go on the retail market and then just, you know, nab these up. But for now, nah, these are gonna go back. And yeah. But yo, look, let us know how you feel about these, yeah? And thank you for tuning in. God bless. Woo!